Anyway, you guys, sorry I wasn't continuing. I just got my mojo. Anyway, you guys. Anyway, you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. We are logging in, checking in, just to say a happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys for your long-standing support, you know, for sticking and staying with us throughout the whole, you know, shebang. We appreciate everything that you guys do, all the encouragement, you know, for checking us when you check us when we need checking. And yeah, just for being there, because without you guys there's no Yardie Belly TV.
For reals.
Right? So yeah, it's Thanksgiving Day, Thanksgiving night it looks like. Thanksgiving evening though, but you know, it's pretty dark already at 5:45, so we on these streets.
Alright, so me about complaints.
Ooh, yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room, say no loud, we can.
The first complaint is that I'm not really feeling 100%. The seasonal changes and in weather has gotten to me. So, sort of nasal up and everything. Joshua run a back attack of them things them.
Joshua real coming true.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and every year I say I'm not cooking. Every year. I'm not cooking. I can't bother. I'm not dealing with this. Guess what I do? Cook. So now we're heading up to Fort Lauderdale to our girlfriend's house, and we're gonna just have a little time. I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride, but yeah, we have. It's easy to fall into the culture of the place that you live, because we were not Thanksgiving people, but we have now become sort of Thanksgiving-ish people. And you know what I mean? Not that we don't give thanks, but we don't select an individual day to do it. So we cook a little something, and we are going to unveil it when we reach at the place. Right? You know, see a lot of people going out of town now. You know, a lot of people leaving to go out of town right now. A whole heap of people take Thanksgiving as they travel there, and so they can get to spend the weekend with their families. You know, that's why you see traffic on the I-95. Most of the traffic where you see on the I-95 are people going far. You know.
But I would think that they want to go there from early so that they can do the whole dinner thing.
Well, remember work. Work is always one of the big factors.
I feel like all of these traffic probably going shopping. Because the stores them switch
yeah,
up
but
and
most
start
people wouldn't
running.
really go on the I-95 to go shopping. You know what I mean?
What if they're going to Sawgrass? What if they're going to I don't know. It depends. It depends.
But remember now, you know, some people don't get the day before Thanksgiving off. So they would leave work, they would take Thanksgiving to travel and then spend the weekend.
Right. Because some people probably even work earlier today.
Right. I know they might head to Georgia, they might head to somewhere to finish up the weekend. Because another Thanksgiving day for many persons, they can't do Thanksgiving day, but they get Thanksgiving weekend. You know? So it's also a situation where people in there, you know. But we are heading north on the I-95, and we are not too much traffic. And you know, some of them feel like a whole bunch of people, like the crazy amount of people in Florida are doing now for Thanksgiving shopping. I mean, we always see it happen all over the other parts of the country, but not...
Because shopping has become overrated, in my opinion. And for some strange reason, the whole Black Friday shopping thing has started weeks in advance of Black Friday. A lot of people been advertising, pushing the sales from way in advance. So
and then also way behind, because most of the Black Friday sales go up until Saturday or Sunday.
Right, so it's not just about the one day. Like, you know, normally you have to bleach to head to the store.
Unless you run down some cheap TV or something like that, which many people...
Many times them only have 10.
Yeah.
And them give you the 10 ticket, and once the 10 TV finish, then that's it.
Yeah, last year we went to the store and a couple stores were having lines, but not many. You know? And whether it's Black Friday, like for instance the Apple Store now sell them something no cheaper. It's not like them say you can get iPad cheaper, right Josh? Remember we went there? Them not sell nothing cheaper, so yeah, it don't make no sense. It's not really worth it. You know, and America's commercialized every holiday. That warm feeling where them try to attain for Thanksgiving. You hear Walmart open 6 o'clock.
Yeah, so everybody got the fellowship and, you know, the quality time with the family. The one day that is set aside for the quality time with family and fellowship, where everybody's supposed to can come together. It's being interrupted by
go buy TV, go buy TV and
shopping.
And go shopping. You know, it's crazy.
It's crazy.
You know. But as I said, me back to the square one, because we're still on our no meet November, and today was the day when the wifey said she was not gonna observe it, right?
I didn't.
From the offset of the challenge.
Yeah.
You know, and I've been doing so well, guys. I can't believe, say, it's been what, 20, how much days? Today, what, 28? 28 days when I eat no meat. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. How you feeling there, buddy? I feel so good.
It feels good, I'm not lie.
Trust me.
It feels so good. And I could go into detail to say how good it feels, but hey.
But I have a next challenge coming, and you're gonna hear about it when Thanksgiving is over, when we move to the next challenge, and we want you guys to support it again, yeah. But for now, we're just heading out on the street, and well, we won't be on the street. We're just heading to a place, you know. And then we see how it goes for the rest of the time.
That's really big up the people.
Happy Thanksgiving. Joshua playing music. Joshua turn recording artist. I'm gonna try to find the music and play it here. Make Joshua play music, see.
Okay. I promise.
Hold on. We're gonna play it, let you guys hear, but we're gonna play it over the sound system in the car. Alright? So let's pause it and then we'll do that.
Josh the real.
World premiere. Oh God, remember me tell you, Josh, you're chewing shell. You want to get in the Jamaican version?
No.
I am so thankful to Linstead Market for blessing me with all of these nice, beautiful items for Thanksgiving. Yeah, man, I appreciate it a lot. Kalalo and Aki, I go run, remember me tell you. Thank you so much, guys, over there at Linstead Market. I appreciate it a lot.
All right, we are here in the Chung's residence in Florida, and this is Philip, and we're actually about to have our Thanksgiving dinner.
I'm Trump Jr.
And Trump Jr. What you said?
I'm Trump Jr.
Oh, you're Trump. So therefore, I'm just gonna let you guys see what is on the menu. We have some baked chicken drumsticks. We have turkey. We have ham sliced. We have assorted vegetables. We have a quinoa salad with parsley and cilantro. We have a baked mac cheese. We have gungo rice and peas, and we have the chef's special sauce. Also, we have a special sauce here that goes on the quinoa salad, but we won't pour it. We'll have each person take their own. And then for dessert, we will have, wow, this is not open yet, but it's a lovely, lovely cake crusted with almonds, strawberries, a lot of fruits on it. So that is what we're going to partake of. So now we're going to go back to, you want to say happy anniversary, Miss Stevenson?
Happy anniversary.
Oh! Happy Thanksgiving. Just say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
All right.
Happy anniversary.
Happy Thanksgiving. What are you going to say? That's Josh, the big, big Josh. Look how tall he has gotten. The little 3-year-old that left us.
Who is that?
You, who is that? Speak some more, let them hear you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yes, ooh, that's cool. And this is our little niecey. Say happy Thanksgiving, Tammy.
Happy Thanksgiving.
This is a great Kino.
What's hey?
All right, yeah, he's in the place. All right, and then we have none other but Yardie Belly TV, responsible for all of what's about to happen, man. It's going down live at 9108. Yeah, we need some reggae stuff in here. Yeah. All right, and the wife that's responsible for all of this. What's them now? What's the Grammy them? What's the gram? Just for Instagram. Hey. Are you gonna say happy anniversary?
Happy anniversary to you all. Pick up on us.
Happy Thanksgiving.
All right, and the hostess with the mostest.
So here is the spread, guys, that we end up making after we said we now cook nothing at all. We ended up with this. We made some jerk chicken drumsticks. Yeah, nice and flavorful, and it came out awesome in the new wave oven. We picked up a smoked turkey in Publix, and so I just warmed it through. Simone went ahead and made a ham. I did some stir-fried vegetables with shrimp, and we also did a quick quinoa salad, and Jackie went ahead and made her mac and cheese and also her very nice rice and peas, and we have some gravy to match.
Gungo rice and peas by the big chef Jackie. We have some gravy. We have dressing for the quinoa salad. Big Chef make up the mac and cheese. Quinoa salad. Yardie Belly TV. Yardie Belly TV. We have shrimp and veggie stir fried. We have delicious glazed ham. Yes, big up yourself, Simone. And we have some smoked turkey and chicken leg. Who don't want that chicken leg? Hey, want that chicken leg?
Pray, Father, we thank you, Lord, for Thanksgiving, the opportunity to just come together and fellowship, Lord God. We thank you for new friends, Lord. We thank you for family. We thank you, Lord God, for your blessings towards us always. And we pray, Lord, that we will continue to seek after you in everything that we do. Bless the food, Lord God, to our bodies, that we give our bodies to your service. Bless the cook, no matter how them look, in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
Have you done this food?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it's so nice. You got it?
It can't go for anything.
Oh, put it on.
That's Josh's plate, and that's the lady over there's a plate. And this is my plate. And that's
Your plate.
yeah. What? What? No, that's not me eat so far. And the Keen over there, and Jackie over there, and the mommy over there, and she Jackie plate here. The fact that, let me tell you the fact that, so when you go Home Depot, let's go in the third row and ask them for your fact. Tell them say sendtohope send you. So my youth, why you have to take the whole of the wing?
So wait, why you didn't take macaroni and cheese?
Why you never take macaroni and cheese?
I'm not a fan of macaroni and cheese. But even for the gram.
You're not take part on this.
No, give me one of the fat them where you always cook with. Yes, so everybody's eating now.
Call him again.
Come, Philip. Philip, we're going to go
To cut the cake. And first of all, what we're going to do is to make sure we all say something that we are thankful for before we can eat it. Come.
Send me the video, Jackie, please.
Yeah. The block. Okay. Come, Mom, come.
Guys, so we're on the outside now for the bashment and arraignment. It's all about the cake, the anniversary cake, the Thanksgiving cake, the birthday cake, the Christmas cake, the Valentine cake, all kind of cake.
December cake.
Remember me tell you?
the
For Thanksgiving cake, pretty so.
Yeah.
Remember me tell you? So we'll cut it.
All of us, we're just going to stand up.
I'm a birthday.
This not cut till you say what I'm thankful for. But
Yeah,
don't tell you. Me fist
Come,
this,
the new thing is...
Ooh.
Thank you for the lights. Oh, let all the mail go first. Because we don't have nobody to take over body.
I'm taking it.
Oh, let us go around. Ladies before. Let us go around like we're gonna.
Yeah.
I'm thankful for my bed.
Go so now. Josh sit or you sit no?
Make Simone sit down.
No man.
I'll go first. I'm thankful that I have somewhere to sleep at nights. And right now my bed is calling me. I'm thankful for friends and family. And I'm also thankful that I've remained cute all these years. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Amen. All right. I am also thankful. Men. Oh.
I am thankful for the food.
Okay.
Okay. I'm thankful for today because I'm over Jackie Yard and no food is here. And I'm in turkey, TV, football game, and the table, and the tree.
Mommy.
And mommy give me tea. I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful because it's my birthday. And I'm thankful for this cake.
Yeah. All of this is on the vlog.
Oh my God! There's like a blog or something.
Yes, it's gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, I'll read you something.
Yes. You're gonna be famous.
Can you hear that?
You're gonna be famous, Jackie.
That I don't feel bad afterwards. At least I can say something that these guys don't say. First of all, I must say thank the Lord for having us together.
Hallelujah. Hot hallelujah.
And
Burns
for having
dog.
my mommy in the States with me for
Yes.
Thanksgiving.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
always here with my friends or
Yes.
just by myself.
Yes.
So
Woo.
this is a privilege to have her with me, despite the fact that she's not feeling too well. She still decided to come with me.
Yes.
Which I'm very, very thankful for.
Glory.
I'm thankful really for life
Yes.
and for good friends.
Yes.
True,
As I was
true.
telling you earlier, Simone, that Philip and Candy, we know them from Joshua's probably one, and we've been friends ever since. And must tell you, every day I talk about Philip especially, because every time I come to the States, Philip is always there. I can just call Philip. So
Glory.
I always make joke and say only Candy can come between Philip and I, you know, kind of thing. But I really, really do appreciate them and really, really love them as a family.
Candy,
And I just-
she loved me.
I know, right? And I thank God for them. And now by extension, Keenan and Simone and my little niece.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is a pop. No, you're gonna cry? You want a napkin?
Kiddo ball.
If you cry, you're not getting no cake.
I'm thankful for me. I'm thankful for me. Thankful for me.
Yes.
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 For who I am.
Next Muddy Tank.
I am thankful for who I am.
Yes.
All right. Thankful, mommy. Don't take as long as you be, please. I thank God for life. I thank God for good friends, families. But most of all, I thank God for Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the
Yes.
Son of the living God.
Yeah.
He's the reason why we're here.
Yeah.
And, you know, we can all go to him when we want to. His arms are wide open for everyone on this planet. Yes, amen. Because he loves us with an unconditional love. Regardless how short we have come, you know, but he died for us. All right. And the important thing is that we give our lives to him, even before it's too late. Because Jesus is love. He's beautiful. I love him. All right.
Amen.
You too.
Amen.
What you're thankful for? Say you're thankful for Auntie Jackie.
Thanks for asking.
When you stop by the pit them? Who else? Who else?
I am thankful for definitely for life, for love, friends and family, and the oxtail. And of course, one and most of all, that God is in our lives and He has carried us thus far. So
Yes.
Yes.
And Joshua, you next?
it was
Oh.
already.
She's closing off.
I am thankful for
Me.
you too. Yes, you. I'm thankful for being alive.
Yes.
And not just being alive, but being healthy. Because a lot of people are alive, but not healthy
walking
at the
Yes.
same time.
Yeah, I'm so healthy too.
Thank God for that. I'm thank God for friends who are like family. 'Cause
Yes.
as we all know that we don't have many family or any family here. So being able to, you know, have family like this, friends who are like family. Like this,
Call my name, let me
it's a
cry.
blessing.
Call my name, let me cry.
For Jackie for opening her house.
Yes, and inviting us in.
For inviting us. It's a pleasure.
Cry.
It's a blessing. And we will be back next year.
Come on.
And for the birthday and for the anniversary.
Yeah. My birthday.
What the cut the cake now?
Yeah.
No, we all birthday.
Yeah, my birthday.
For the
Yeah,
No, I'm me.
ready? Yes. Ready?
Me still a ball. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Might make a cake turn over.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Number
1, 2, 3.
Cut.
Happy
Please,
birthday. All right. So we're all gonna stand around and get a picture now.
Yes.
But see ya. That's almost something we do.
You go around. That's her house, so you're not going to drop and you're going to pass it. Last place you drop, you pick up. Right?
What you said, Philip? Just tell me. Remember me, your friend.
There's nothing in there. I drop it, so I'm done.
Yes. Everything that is are five. Mommy? Because let me show you. I'll show you. Mango. The Metiva. I've never heard.
It's hydrated monkey.
I've never heard mango tea bag.
Oh, ever.
Them a war over tea bag.
Philip, can you just shut that thing off?
I have never heard of mango tea bag. Mango they sell tea bag and they don't make it.
What's wrong with this nigger?
Now,
Let me tell you something. Everything can be hydrated.
no.
Yes.
And then because
Dehydrated, yes.
Yeah, and then,
Hydrated, no. This can't drink.
why not?
You put water on it and drink it.
No. There is no. This is poison right there.
It's not poisonous. So why are you having the ginger?
No, this is mint.
That's ginger.
No, this is
ginger
mint.
mint.
Mommy, what is this? Plantation mint.
Oh, plantation
Yes.
mint.
Those things.
So, the mint growing a plantation.
You don't know the plantation that was going on?
So it couldn't grow a sunrise.
Don't know that one sunrise?
No.
Show the plantation.
Plantation mint. This is foolishness.
You are saying is that improv is a bad brand? Or are you saying that on the camera?
I'm not saying that at
You
all.
want to sue?
What?
You want them to sue you?
So, having some tea. Watching the game. That's the cheat some of it for me. You know, touch a little bit of the turkey, had some vegetables and some rice, and it's been good. Yeah, nothing big, nothing fancy, just enjoying myself with families, having them laugh and hearing, you know, laughter and jokes. Nice. Yeah, man. That's Thanksgiving. Yeah, man, it's a balcony looking at the Guitar Hotel with all its glory. It's going on with one piece of something right there. Yes. And yeah, you can't see it, not the justice with the camera, but it's going on.
So being nice. That's okay. We're going to go another time. We don't have an appointment today. That's cute right there.
It is not worth forcing yourself into that pants there just to feel like you are a junior when you are a senior. Those pants are made for juniors.